0.663, 0.658. This value is low, that means it is collector, and this value is high, it is emitter. It is NPN transistor. How to decode this SMD marking and to find its part number and its data sheet. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. SMD marking 1P. 1P. Sometimes there is device identification or component ID on the PCB. ID unknown. In some circuits we have C31, C32, U3, U5, like this. We need its size code. Length, width, thickness. This is length, width and complete width from end terminal, this point to this point. So it needs to desolder. First we will verify in millimeter. 2.95, 1.29, length 2.95, 1.29. First we will find size code by these two figures, length, width. There are different websites, there are different charts. You can find discrete devices package lineups from Toshiba. You can download these documents. Body from here to here 2.9 and body width 1.3, and its leads are outside. So it is SOT23 package. The third dimension from lead to lead, it is 2.4 millimeter. SOT23. Plastic body length 2.9, plastic body width 1.3, lead end to lead end 2.4, this lead center point to this lead center point 1.9, and if we draw a line from the center line, 0.95 to this side, 0.95 to this side, this lead thickness 0.15, lead width 0.4 millimeter. If all these parameters are matching with this component, then the package is SOT23. We can also verify from other charts. 2.9 millimeter body length, 1.3 millimeter body width, pitch 1.9, from lead to center point 0.45, from lead to the body top 0.95, that is height of this component, lead thickness 0.15, and lead length after this curve minimum 0.2 millimeter, and its height, thickness of the complete body, that is 0.95 millimeter. In our case SOT23. We can also use Nexperia selection guide. Each component is defined here. Then this chart, Nexperia, this poster, 3-pin component. In this row, here are body dimensions. Length 2.9, width 1.3 and height 1 millimeter. So here are 2.9 by 1.3 by 1. These are plastic body measurements. Then here is central semiconductor. This brochure 3.05 by 2.49 by 1. It is SOT23. In this measurement, lead end to lead end, it is not showing body dimensions. Cross check from different manufacturers. SOT23, the same name, SOT23, SC59, SOT346, TO236AB, SMT3, MPAK, CP, Mini 3, GB3, CPH3. These different names are allocated for SOT23, SMD.YOONWD.1. 1P, open it. In this list, we will see marking 1P with SOT23, 1P SOT23, 2N2222A. Let's suppose Q, that is transistor. If there is D, that means diode. That time we will see diode. 40 volt 600 milliampere NPN transistor, SOT23 FMMT2222A 2222A NPN transistor. If emitter is connected to ground, NPN transistor. If collector is connected to positive terminal, that is NPN transistor. If emitter is connected to positive terminal, that is PNP transistor. Collector is connected to negative terminal, PNP transistor. We will check datasheet. SMD marking 1P 2N2222AS, pin 1, 2, 3, pin 1 base, pin 2 emitter, pin 3 collector. Let's check it now. Pin 1 base, NPN transistor, red lead at base, 0.663. 0.658. This value is low, that means it is collector, and this value is high, it is emitter, that means it is NPN transistor. If you will check in reverse direction, so it is 2N2222A. 1P SMD marking in this package, 2N2222AS transistor. In this way we can decode SMD component by taking its measurements, by reading its device identification, SMD code, and then we can locate its datasheet. And finally we can test it in this way. If this video is informative, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.